Now you see on this video sequence how to change from a right-hand golfer to a left-hand golfer. Open the screw and turn the power foot. It's easy to handle. After you fixed the screws, use the bolts to change the movement of the strength foot. We recommend also to train both motions for a perfect workout.